how progress really looks like. The ice cube metaphor. How progress is really looks like. Progresso is progress in Portuguese. Okay, so let's say there are minus 10 degrees inside the room. Okay, it's cold, and there's an ice cube in front of you. Okay, and it's minus 10 degrees, so it's cold as hell, and the ice cube is solid as a rock. Okay, solid as a rock, and you decrease 1 degree, and now it's minus 10 degrees. It's still cold, just 1 degree. You are still cold. The ice cube is the same in front of you, right? But then let's say you decrease minus 4 degrees. It's minus or increase 5 degrees. Now it's minus 4 degrees. Okay, that's some temperature, 6 in total. Maybe you feel a little bit less cold, but the ice cube is still like a rock, solid as hell. Okay, but you already increased 6 degrees in temperature Celsius, and it's okay, cool, but nothing happened to the ice cube. But then you increase more 3, everything the same, except the temperature is minus 1 degrees Celsius, and you increase the temperature by just one more degree, and boom, an increase in 10 degrees made the ice cube melt, is liquid now, water, no more solid. And it was the increase from -1 to 0, it was less or more important from the increase from minus 10 to -9. It is as important as every single degree. -1 to 0 is important as -10 to -9 and -6 to -5. It's the same. It's same as important. One is so important as the other. And this is the same from the creation of a habit and the results a habit give you. Okay, so like I said previously, if you want to the habit to exercise, just putting the clothes, it's 1%, it's 1 degree, and that is so important as final uh, the final process of creating a habit, which is doing the exercise itself. The first one is so important as the last one when we are talking about a creation of a habit, or the process of creating a habit. Okay, so you can also put this on the intention on everything, and the results that you will get are the same. Okay, so the first week you do exercise, you won't see results, but it is equally important as 3 months later, 6 months later, when you start to see some real cool results, for example. Okay, so this is nice to give value to the small improvements, to the small gains, to the small things that uh, sometimes are easily forget, or not so valuable valuable for the people. Okay, so it's important and nice to give us an high five for just establishing the intention and continue along the way to create the habit, or to achieve whatever you want. Okay, the same thing for dating. For example, probably your first dates were terrible, let's say, but when they agree by another one date after another, you increase your abilities to date, to flirt, and maybe you're an expert now, or you are becoming one in wherever field, to walk, learning to walk. Okay, so this is the thing. Progress is small, and the first step is equally important as the last steps. Okay,